the top 10.
That's me.
So you're not so sad?
I'm very happy. I'm so excited.
How was this competition in Bora Bora?
It was amazing. I'm so grateful to the organization of Hey Paris that put together this competition. I want to thank the whole staff because I know it's not an easy production. Like, look at this. It was amazing. And I had so much fun being on this stage. And honestly, it was a challenge dancing on the sand. Because, well, in Mexico, at least I don't do it. I live in a big city and I'm not used to going to the beach to train. And so I had the opportunity to train a few days before and I was like, wow, this is challenging, but let's do it. Let's enjoy it. I don't know what's going to happen. And so when I was on stage and I just saw my friends cheering for me and the lights and just knowing like every effort that it took for me to be here, you know, my family